Baja, and apparently my autofocus is not on. Let me see where that's at and I'll be right back. There's Jim. What the heck is this?
Race spot.
There you go, that's better.
I like dirt.
Man, I hope this battery makes it. It's like got about a tick.
Yeah,
But I highly doubt it.
Race spot.
It's Jim doing the illegal thing. They're not supposed to pack past that gate. He's doing it anyways. That's so illegal. But oh well. Love the yellow fenders, bro. Love the yellow fenders. The face of a champion right there. Absolute champion. Even Carmichael ain't got nothing on him. Matter of fact, there's Carmichael right over there. See? All Fox. See if he turns around and shows the number.
Nice race, man. That looked good. That was nice.
Where is it? There it is. When that light goes green, they'll rev it up, load it up, the gate will drop in a few seconds and they'll be off. Let's get a look at the pack. There we go. A lot of guys out there. There's Jim right there. Getting himself ready, going through his pre-race check. A lot of guys though, man. It's gonna be a big day. Starters checking them, make sure they're all good. Nobody's got any problems. Just gonna walk in there, turn it yellow, hit it green, and then that gate will fall in 5 seconds or so after that. After it gets green. So here he goes for the walk right now. If you ain't ready now, you're not gonna be ready. Jim is real easy to spot. Watch him out, see how he goes, see how he gets off the gate. We got yellow. Alright, here we go. We got green. Jim got a little boxed out, but he's up there. Leaders are gone. And they're off. See if the ski jumpers. Triple. Jim should be coming here in just a second. There he is. There's Jim right there. Get on it, bitch! Now he should do the double triple, but I don't know. No, he's just gonna double. Oh, he did do it! He tripled out! Whee! Get him as he comes around here. Gotta whip it, Jim. There he goes. Good boy. He should be coming any second. There he is. See if he does a ski jump. There he is. There he goes. Woo-hoo! Here he comes. Oh, there he is. All right, Jim, do it.